Hello, Assalaam Alaikum, it's me Sabeena with week 5 of my 6 items challenge 2020 and label behind the label. And this week I'd like to talk to you about Label Behind the Label's new campaign, and it's called #PayUp. And this hashtag is telling big brands to pay up and protect all workers in the supply chain. All have made no commitment to pay in full for orders completed and in production. We'll post a link to the petition, and I would be very grateful if you could sign that petition, or if you have time, write to the brands, tweet them and write on their Facebook pages and encourage them to fulfill their contracts and orders and give all garment workers a living wage. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to recording another video for you next week. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam.